boy, HDFC Bank. Everyone's got to be watching that. Numbers will be out tomorrow. Abhishek joins in with the expectation. Abhishek, historically, HDFC Bank is always known as the bank with the steadiest earnings. They give you a pre-quarter update. So what's the street expecting?
Well, this time around, don't expect a steady state quarter because there is one-off in their other income as they have sold a stake in HDFC Credila. So that will impact the overall profitability as well. The key numbers that they had given out in terms of business momentum, deposit momentum was really strong, growing at 7.5% quarter on quarter. And one of the key highlight was the improvement in CASA ratio as well, which we have not seen for a long time for the banking sector as well. So CASA ratio improved. However, loan growth was pretty dismal, growing at 1.5% quarter on quarter because other wholesale loans had declined more than 2% on a sequential basis. So the key thing to watch is that the net interest margin is expected to remain stable at 3.4% as per Nomura estimate. Some analysts have pegged in that net interest margin can decline by 5 to 6 basis points on a sequential basis. As I mentioned, there can be a one-off in the other income as well as they sold their stake in HDFC Credila to Chris Capital and others, which was around 9,500 to 9,600 crores, which can actually boost the other income. Now, analysts are pegging slippages to be around 7,500 crore, which compares to 7,000 crore in the previous quarter. However, expect a steady state of numbers with respect to asset quality momentum, that is the gross NPA ratio. Credit cost expected to remain stable or decline on a sequential basis. Now, we are comparing only quarter on quarter with respect to our poll because HDFC Limited got merged last year. So NII is expected to grow at 1.4% quarter on quarter. PAT is estimated to grow at 12% quarter on quarter. But just to highlight our viewers, the PAT is a huge variance between analyst community. Some are pegging it at 15,000 crore while others are pegging it at a high of 22,000 odd crores as well. So this other income can actually impact the profitability of HDFC Bank this time around. Back to you.
Thanks a lot, Abhishek, for joining in there. HDFC Bank now surging to the day's high ahead of its results and contributing to some bit of the Nifty's recovery from the lowest point of the day. Past the 1500 mark now is HDFC Bank. Time for a short break. Up next, when we return, we bring you Infosys and Bajaj Auto. Both stocks seeing some contrasting fortunes. Infosys, after some bad numbers, is recovering from the lows of the day, but Bajaj Auto, after good numbers, is seeing some profit booking. Back on the other side, we'll get you more.